In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how this can be achieved. All what you have to do right now is just to sit down and watch the entire video from the beginning to the end without skipping any part, because at the end of this video I'm gonna be showing you how this can be achieved. Now let's get started. Here is 3 simple step strategy of how I am a student have been able to make 100k to 500k online with just our smartphone and internet connection. What if in the next 3 months you find yourself consistently making over 100k to 500k monthly? What will you start doing or stop doing? That is a question for you. You can type that in the comment section and let me know. What if you never have to depend on anyone for money again? Here's a guarantee. I guarantee you that after this training you won't beg anyone for money again, 100% sure. Here are some results for my student. The first interface about 832,500 made. That's for Nigerian currency. This reminds me, this is for everyone. If in a country whereby your currency is dollar, this is for you. If in a country whereby your currency is safer, this is for you. If in a country whereby your currency is cedis, this is for you. Second interface, this student is appreciating me. This student said, "Thank you, sir. I was able to make this in just 2 days using this strategy. I think I should increase my budget because I want to be like you, boss." Great. The third interface about 532,500 made. Here are also some various of results for my students. I have a lot of them. I just have to reduce it for the sake of this tutorial. Here's a question for you. When are you gonna be making your first million? It's a question for you. The job I'm doing right now, can that generate my first million? It's maybe yes or no. And this student said, "I made over 3 million with affiliate marketing business alone." Great. If you're getting any value from this content, kindly subscribe and smash the notification button. When I drop a valuable content like this one you are watching right now, YouTube is gonna notify you. Thanks for subscribing. And if you see me for the first time, you may be wondering, who is this online wizard mentoring everyone on how to make money online? You may be wondering, who am I? My name is Mubarak Abubakar and people call me Kuchukweni. I'm also known as Mobies. I've trained over 1,000 students on this business I'm about to reveal to you. Who is this business for? This business is for employee or an extremely business 9-to-5 worker, stay-at-home moms, fresh graduates or students if you have been able to trying to make money online and keep falling. Although this is for everyone generally. In case you have this question, can I legitimately make fast and easy money online? The answer is yes, but you are doing it in the wrong way. Do I need a laptop for this business? No, you don't need. Do I need to rent an office? No. You can start with your smartphone from the comfort of your home. Understanding these 3 simple steps would change your financial status even if you're doubting, because I was too. When I also want to get started with affiliate marketing, I was doubting, can this change my financial status? Oh, until when I get started, I know. The MAP program plus my mentorship will change your financial status. Now, what is this business about and how it is done? This business model called affiliate marketing, the MAP, which means digital money affiliate program, and this affiliate program called the MAP is currently live on seller platform. It involves you recommending helpful digital products and getting paid a commission. And I will be showing you 3 simple strategies to make 100k to 500k with an online marketing platform called the MAP. Here is a disclaimer. This business is not for lazy people that hate working. This business is not for people that hate following simple instructions. This business is not for people with get rich quick mindset. If you fall into any of this category, please stop watching. What is the MAP? The MAP is an online affiliate program hosted on the seller platform where its affiliates earn by promoting a digital product and get paid commission daily. The MAP is a legit online platform where you can make 100k to 500k monthly with using just your smartphone. The MAP also provides you with step-by-step short video course that will guide you on how to use your seller account to start promoting and earn immediately after starting as an affiliate to its digital product. The chicken ratio. These are rules and regulations of the chicken race. Rush to work, rush to your place of work, wish at work, sit all day, filling your time sending irrelevant emails and undertaking irrelevant tasks. Rush back home, eat your meal, and go to bed worrying about your next day at work. Repeat step 1, 2, and 3 until the end of the month. At the end of the month, you collect your wages that can't even satisfy your need. Moreover, if you don't have work, you're also living the chicken race due to the fact that you don't have work and will keep struggling hard to satisfy your need. Reason why you need to escape the chicken race: having a boss telling you what to do, working on someone else's time clock, always worry about expenses and paying bills, being told what to do all the time, having to waste your life away working for someone else. So I believe you don't want to live this life again. What Afflaite with Demand program is not. It is not MLM. You don't need to rent a shop or office. You don't need to create or import any product. There are no monthly fees. It does not require huge startup capital or paying government tax. It is not a camp. It is not a referral program. It is not MMM. Does not work for lazy people who want to do it for them. So as I was saying, there are three niches that people can create an information product around, which you can pick and promote as an affiliate marketer. And these three niches are money making niche, health fitness niche, dating and relationship niche. Any product you select under them goes well and will always sell, because people will always have those problems. After selecting a product, what next? Simply start promotion. And how does this work? Perhaps you select products titled how to unleash your inner drive and become a money magnet. Wow, great! Can you see how sweet this digital product is? This is money making product. After picking the product, you are able to promote it times 20. The product is just 1 month, and if this product sells for 20k and you are getting a 50% commission, that is 10k. That means you'll be able to make 20 times 10,000 equals to 200k, right? Just in a month. As a beginner, you are able to make 200k. So when you now become a master, making about 750k a month will not become a child play to you. I know when we do this affiliate program and still remain broke again, especially if you are my student. And if you are in my mentorship, where I give my student a copy and a paste method I've been using, as in, if only it's possible for all the people aiming to make money online get this opportunity, it will be easy for everyone to make money off the internet. Withdraw from your affiliate account. There is no minimum or maximum withdrawal. You can withdraw all your commission as you always receive a payout message every morning concerning the amount that has been credited to your wallet. There is no date or time for withdrawal. You can withdraw directly to your bank account or your Momo account if you are in Ghana. You can set automatic withdrawal every morning. You will receive everything you have earned, and you can also choose to manually. You will make that choice when setting up your account after getting started. The affiliate website only charge you 15 naira whenever you place your withdrawal. What you will be getting if you make payment immediately and become a student: you will get access to the map course worth 19k. You will get access to affiliate account worth 40k. You will get access to my WhatsApp automation course you can use to generate quality lead that can buy whatever you have worth 8k. You can access to my copy and paste method that will give you massive results in less than 5 days worth 15k. You will get access to my complete the map graphic design course for those who want to become a professional graphic designer worth 12k. You will be added to my personal mentorship group where you can ask questions and celebrate with others of my students worth 30k. You can get access to my secret I have used to make millions of naira worth 20k. 99 of prayers are answered through opportunity. Total cost of this DMAV course is 139,000 naira, but you are getting access to everything with just 19,999 naira, which is 300 CDs. I will be running a special offer for who are willing to skyrocket their financial career or their financial status. What you only need to pay for this better far opportunity is just a token of 10,918 naira, which is 166 CDs, only instead of normal price of 90,099 naira. That sounds cool, right? That's why you should not miss this. To get started right now, all you need to do is to type pay in my WhatsApp DM. You can see my WhatsApp contact in the description below.